still alive! He's still alive! Alright, Elias, it's go time. Hurry up.
Oh, good God, that's so much water. He runs real weird.
What's going on?
No time to explain! If you don't hear from me in the next 24 hours, don't look for me.
I think he's being...
Get to the extraction! Hi guys! That was fun. And we're good. I think you really concerned them. Hey. Did you? How would you have broken your pinky? I don't know. Well, here we are. Everyone's got a wristband? You got a wristband. Do you have a wristband? They're checked in, but they didn't give them bands. You get the bands. Go. Go. Run. Alright. At least they'll be warmed up. Yeah, if not, I'm going all out. Yeah, I'm not warmed up. Oh, good. Yeah, what's up with that song? That song creeps me the hell out. Say hi. Oh. I'm going to move to the center box. On that team? Were you on that team? No. Hey, you're on our team. We're sitting there sweeping through all this trying to find somebody.
We killed it.
Good enough.
Yeah, me and this man's here flanked all the way around. Oh, nice job. It was awesome. We held down the fort.
Oh, shit! He's still alive! He's still alive!
Out.
Hey, watch right here. He's on the opposite side of me.
In this one?
No, he's not inside. He's on the outside wall. There's one next barricade up from me, center. Oh, shit. He's down. He's down.
You got me.
Ah! Good job, man. Good job. Oh, shit!
I thought I'd get more runs on the left.
Got one moving left. Two back center. Fuck. Hey. Hey, Elias.
Where?
Center, second in. Two of them. Got one down.
Okay.
There's one still inside. Down. Is he inside? Is that one down? Holy shit. I think I got one right here. Yep, one right there. Okay.
Like 2 weeks ago, did you see a green vest? No.
It's all wet in there.
If I get minigun, tell my mom and dad that they were adopted.
Alright.
Okay, so the guy with the ghillie suit and the guy with the minigun are both on the other side.
I don't even remember what video that's from. He volunteers. He volunteers. He volunteers.
Give me a joke.
Let's see.
Alright, so a pair of jumper cables walks into a bar. Bartender says, I'll serve you, just don't start anything.
That was terrible. You could have done the snowball.
I didn't hear it.
The blue team. Blue team?
He's a spy.
Yeah, I'm a double agent. I need to tie my shoe.
Yellow team, you guys go to the white pole.
Don't get one.
Three friends. Turn this thing, ready?
Ooh, snap. That's the kind of man I want to fight. Scare you by staring at you.
Oh my god, it's so fun. I thought we were playing.
All we need is a flag.
We love full auto.
No. Yo, America. America. There's our flag. Everybody hold this man up. Alright, I'm good. I'm the fight.
I gotta pick you up, I gotta carry you back.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright. Alright. Wrong hand.
Let's go.
Right. Boom, flag's been raised.
I raised the flag.
Flag,
That'd be so hard to catch. You grab one guy, you couldn't even fire.
Another minigun is
How's the minigun, Sammy?
really clapping in the wind.
Yeah.
I don't have cameras on my field.
This map sucks. LMG's moving up. Minigun's coming up. Yeah, we got more right. Hey. Elias, I'm crossing.
They're in the base, right?
Dance, boy. Behind the cement. They got baby Bob.
Brian, these are the smoke rings.
Oh, are we putting on our barrel bags? What? Are we putting on barrel bags?
Oh, I did.
They don't go back.
Yeah. And the guy with the main gun keeps spraying. You know how to unqualify these?
You take your shirt and you wipe it.
You hold your gun so like.
That's all I'm
And then say that to your good friend. Got a lot of small movers on the right. Mini gunner left! Hit.
I don't know, the one you guys shoot me?
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
I got one with a shotgun right in front of me.
Hey guys, how you guys? Hit! Dang it. What?
Got a pretty stupid plan.
Alright. Alright, so where are you running to? Because there's one person at the tubes. There are 2 people actually inside the base, and there's one person behind that cement. You see the one behind the tubes?
No.
He's really tall. Alright, so how about this? You sprint up to that tree right there, and after the 2 trees, but before the one skinny tree. You see it?
I need cover.
That tree will give you cover. That's the best cover we can give you. Alright, ready? 2, 1. That's 10 out of 10.
Huh?
That was 10 out of 10.
You like that?
Yeah.
The window.
I see someone straight ahead.
That's not how you aim. So where are they?
There's someone in the building.
I got one moving right, straight ahead of me.
Yeah, that's him. Someone behind that building.
Someone behind the trees moving to the building. I think zombies hate people. Hit.
Oh shit. In the structure. In the window. Even though I'm shooting up, but...
What up, motherfucker? Oh my god.
This just feels unfair.
How?
That.
Hello.
I love how we're literally just like calmly walking up.
Yeah. Going down. Put some tail in me. Go, 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 go. He's guiding us.
Hail the king. Our cover's gone. Yeah. I don't know if these people are caught. Oh, it's a slide.
Can I see it?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's mine.
What the hell happened?
Hold on.
Yeah, look right down it. That's great.
You guys ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened?
Gun fell apart.
Gun fell apart.
Not one of you guys. I just said somebody else.
For the Thin Men! Hit!
The mag told 150. You want to throw one?
You guys want to go back to that same building?
Go on. Yeah, I think they will shoot.
I believe.
Go, man. That's it. Come on, hold on.
My battery's dead, so I'm just in touch.
40 in there.
Yeah.
You guys straight up.
They're behind us. They're behind us.
You have to die. You're crying a lot.
What's up, guys? It's your boy, Elias, and today I'm thanking you for watching our Airsoft video, because I really just took some time to edit it. It took about a day, because I'm a really slow editor. I slack a lot. But, thank you for watching. If you want to see more, like it. If you want to see more of our videos in general, subscribe it. So, if you want to just support the channel, subscribe. If you like our videos, we get a like. But thank you so much for watching.